Landcare is one of the best ways to jump to action and support the changes that we want to see.
The passion in the volunteers just makes stuff happen.
Landcare has the best connection to community. Landcare are experts at leveraging good outcomes from nothing.
Working in community, we are able to adapt and respond quite quickly.
With our 3,000 plus volunteers and our 200 Landcare groups and our 11 Landcare networks, we've got significant capacity to deliver at scale.
The coordinators across our region do an amazing job in supporting their local communities, helping people, building capacity, sharing knowledge, building skills is really essential to looking after all of this beautiful landscape.
The Macleay Floodplain Rainforest Remnant Restoration Project was really important because it's conserving the last few remaining patches of remnant rainforest on the floodplain. I feel very privileged to be able to support landholders in restoring these special remnants.
We complement each other in our approaches, and Landcare brings such a strong community participation and network to the relationship. We can also bring some technical assistance and leverage for funding.
Ballina Coast Care is one of our oldest and longest standing groups. They've been working along the sand dunes here in Ballina for almost 20 years.
When we started here, the major weeds were up as high as the trees. Over the period of time, we've been able to get them down.
Now it has been totally transformed into a young forest. There are people I have met in my Landcare group. It opens up new doors, new friendships, and more opportunities.
The regional seed bank is a classic example of the impact that Landcare is making across the landscape. It's a partnership with North Coast Local Land Services and the North Coast Regional Botanic Gardens. The aim of this project is to collect and store local native seed in a seed bank.
The supply of seed is a key constraint to restoring land after natural disasters. It's made people more active and think about the seed that they're collecting and the sharing of that seed.
Our nursery only grows stuff that's endemic to the Clarence Valley. It's very rewarding to collect seed, propagate it, and then watch it going out to be used in regen projects.
It's about increasing all the biodiversity in an area that really needs it because it's cane farms for kilometres.
I had an opportunity under the LEP program to do an Aboriginal engagement community consultation workshop with local Landcare networks in my region. We looked at who are the cultural knowledge holders in that area and how to engage with them. It gave those local communities an opportunity to have a voice so that we're working together and working in harmony to create that better environment that we're all living in.
So Riverfest was an idea where we wanted to bring some attention to what's happening in the Richmond catchment to improve the health of our rivers. There was 39 events reaching all across the catchment. The Riverfest really helped to mobilise action and helped us all to take collective responsibility for our river.
OzFish and Landcare are working here together on the Wilson River to get rid of the weeds along the riverbank and replant those beautiful natives that form part of our rainforest remnant.
Caring for Catchments is a multi-year regional nature-based solutions project focusing on rivers and creeks. One of the key goals is around flood resilience. It's amounting to hundreds of hectares of riparian restoration and reforestation and several kilometres of rivers and creek banks in the regions. Landcare really enables this change to happen and create long-lasting change.
I'm really proud to be a part of Landcare because it's bigger than just yourself.
I love the people, and that's what Landcare is about.
I know that I'm helping so many people and creating such meaningful, trusted, collaborative partnerships. We're coming with that genuine intent to build relationships for the better outcomes of our local communities.